What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy Raptor Man here, back with another video. Basically just wanted to give you guys an update as to what's been going on with me. Currently in Michigan it's snowing, it's like 30 degrees, so I'm not doing too much riding out here, but starting this weekend taking a trip down to Pioneer, Tennessee and La Follette, Tennessee, riding Ride Royal Blue ATV Resort. Over 800 miles of ORV trails. Got a few of us going. It's going to be a really good time. I've never ridden on terrain like this. It looks pretty crazy. If you guys want to research it, just go on YouTube and type in Ride Royal Blue and you'll see a ton of different videos pop up. Place looks really cool, really interesting, so we're going to have a blast. Going to be down there for a week. Secondly, I did a few updates to the ATV. I'd like to shout out DRW Performance for his awesome case saver. Look him up on Facebook. His name's Weston Rainwater. And I'll be sure to leave a link for him. He does case savers for Banshees, LTR 450s, Raptor 700s, Raptor 660s. He also does rotor guards like you're seeing in the video. I believe that's for an LTR 450. He's got that on right there. Here's a case saver, what it's going to look like once I get it installed on mine. Basically, these Raptor 700s are notorious for blowing chains and cracking cases. And if my chain ever goes on this, I'm pretty sure this case saver is going to save it from binding up and slapping against those cases. I also ordered the AIS test plate from Servo Racing, aka the Pop Stop. That's this little plate right here, and it eliminates an entire little mechanism of the stupid design that Yamaha decided to go with on the head of the 700. Anyways, anyone that knows how on deceleration a 2015 and up Raptor will pop when you're downshifting and you let off the clutch, it'll start popping. Well, this totally eliminates that test plate, and it also eliminates what they call stumbling. So like sometimes on launch it seems like your throttle response is just a little bit delayed. That'll help towards that, and I've already noticed a difference. I'll leave the link for Servo Racing. I'll leave the link for their YouTube channel and possibly his eBay where I purchased the item. It's only 20 bucks, really easy install. Shout out to the Juice for hooking me up with that. Took him like 15-20 minutes. I installed handlebars, but they didn't end up working out, so I ended up switching them and giving them back to Griff and putting my old handlebars back on. I bought some like motorcycle handlebars from Pro Taper. They were the wrong ones. I installed engine ice in my quad as well. This was recommended to me on the forums. It's supposed to keep the quad 10 to 15 degrees cooler than normal radiator fluid. And so that's basically about it. My bumper should be here today or tomorrow. I got to install my case saver. I got to top off my fluids, tighten up my clutch lever. I also installed the skid plate. Well, the Juice installed it for me. He just a few bolts, XFR skid plate. So yeah, go ahead and check out all the links in the description, guys, if you guys want a few informative channels on YouTube about Raptor 700s or LTR 450s. A lot of you guys probably don't know this, but I'm admin over at LTR 450 Nation on Facebook. Go ahead and go over there, and I'll preview guys if you guys need anything regarding the LTR 450. I'm admin over there. So anyways, gonna be some cool videos, you guys. Stay tuned. Going down there, should be down there Saturday. Coming back probably that next Friday. So we're going to be down there for almost a solid week. So you guys are going to get a lot of content. I'm taking both the GoPros. Justin's, the Juice has got his GoPro. We got the Cenas now. You guys seen me unbox the Cenas, or as some people like to call them, the Senas. So we have headset communication between us while we're video recording. So should make for a pretty interesting ride, plus beautiful scenery. So anyways, as always, you guys, I appreciate all you guys, all the new subscribers, all the guys that have been around for a while, everyone that likes my videos and comments and leaves positive feedback. I appreciate you guys. Stick around because a lot more stuff coming. We'll see you guys. Stay safe. Peace.